Zim gets an early chance against Livingston. Nice bounce pass off the boards from Nick. Caden comes up the side. Defenseman cheats, shoots and scores. Nice pass from Nick again here, out to Sam. Goalie makes a nice save. Jack's equal to the task, makes a nice save here.
Cheryl, your husband has been old tonight. I don't know what else to tell you.
I'm not qualified.
Really nice sustained pressure here. We're in their zone for quite a long time. Here's the highlights from that. Really good work from the boys. Nice pass here from Nick over to Tyler. Just misses. Jack's keeping us in the game here with a couple of quick saves. Tyler gets one here off the face-off. More sustained pressure in their zone. Work in front of the net. And we get another. I think Nick got that one. Here's John working hard in their zone. Works this guy off the puck. Creates a chance. Zim does a nice job trying to get out of the zone here. I think he was out. That puck did not cross the line. We're around their net, hovering around. Sam comes out front, and there's another goal. Good work, boys. Getting a little chippy here. Jack saves a nice chance here. And then we stick up for him in front of the net. Joseph got tripped. No call. Nice one-on-one here. Cobes does a good job, plays it in.